Syncee Dropshipping tutorial for Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use one of the tools that you need, or it is going to be considered as mandatory on Shopify store. So this tool is, or this integration is going to be called Syncee. So what is Syncee? It is going to be an app that will help you to set up a drop shipping store with AI. So how we can find the Syncee? Basically, you're going to head over shopify.com. We're going to set up the account of ours, and then we are going to be on the admin dashboard. Once we have been here, we are going to click on the search bar and type in Syncee like that. Syncee drop shipping. So as you can see, it is going to be called Syncee AI Dropship. So we are going to search for it on the Shopify App Store. After that, we are going to find this app. So this is it, Syncee Premium AI Dropshipping. Click on this app. Once we have been here, we are going to install this app by clicking on this install, and it is going to be good to go. So we are going to wait for the app to install it. As you can see, it is not going to take a lot of time from you. Here we have the app installed, and it is going to be here. So basically what we're going to do is to set up, as you can see here, the account by setting up, for example, as you can see, the type of products that we want. For example, we need fashion, home and garden, health and beauty. For example, you can at least choose 3. We're going to click on next. After that, we are going to select the target market. You're going to select the, as you can see here, the country. For example, we're going to use maybe the United States. We are going to click next, and we are going to select some of the best sellers that you're going to find here. So we are going to choose the products, and not choose, but basically it is going to be added to the store by clicking on this. So here you need to get the as you can see, the free trial of the Shopify store, because the Syncee, or the Syncee, also is going to have a free 3-day trial. We can go ahead and set up a 3-day trial on here, and it is going to get the checkout, and you're going to use it. So at least the first month is going to be $1, I think, for the first 30 days. And you can also have the monthly, or the current plan, which is going to be the free plan, and it is going to be set up like that. If you need, for example, the advanced plans like the basic, pro, the business plus, you can go ahead and get them and get more tools, because the drop shipping is needing tools. Now, for finding products, you can go ahead and click on find products, and it is going to show you here everything that you need to do or set up for the as you can see here, the store. You need only to click or select the product, and it is going to have a push to store button, and it is going to be immediately adding the product just like that. As you can see, the import list is created. We're going to head over the import list. Do not forget to pin the app to the navigation, and here you go. So for example, so it is imported. You can go ahead and set up here, automate, as you can see, updates. We're going to automate the updates. As you can see, this is needing a plan. We're going to synchronize. Do not need a task here. And we're going to wait for this to approve the product. So basically, when it is going to be approving the product, or this transaction, or the process, you're going to find the product here. Maybe it is going to be in this place, and here it is. I think that this is not all the products, but I think that it is going to do the thing from here. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.